Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 8 trades. Today's date is February the 6th and I'm using my brand new Magic Scalper trading system. This system is great if you love to scalp. I use it first off to get into the trade, and if it turns into just scalping, I'm happy with that. And in other situations it could take off and give me a lot of pips and ticks. The comes complete with the super signal indicator. That's the one with the arrows here. You'll get an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see right here, suggesting whether you should be buying and or selling. Now every morning, 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I get in front of the computer trading the continuation of the London, following into the New York session. Take a look at a bunch of different instruments, Forex, futures, options, and of course I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. Now here's the daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. It's running in real time. It's drilling down the lights from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes. So gone are the days where I have to check anything higher than the 15-minute time frame. Once it does all the calculations, then in the comments here it'll make suggestions. Either look for bearish or bullish trades, and some of them are either not enough strength or waiting for clear direction. As my mentor told me many years ago, very high percentage of traders fail because they are trading without any kind of a daily trade plan. Now after 19 years, I found that this one is the best of the group. I've tried many different trading plans, and like I said, it's the best one I found, but you still have to learn how to read it along with reading the charts if you want to succeed at trading. If you have any questions or if you're interested in buying the daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me, and all my contact information is right below this video. Okay, now we can get into these trades. As you can see, I bought them all, and anywhere between roughly 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, close them all out almost right to the minute. Once I realize I have at least 200 pips and or ticks, I'm happy with that. I just close out the trades and I'm done trading for the day. The Magic Scalper also uses the Heikin-Ashi candles on the top here. It's a favorite of many traders around the world, as it doesn't seem to jump around as much with regards to changing of the colors. Basically blue we're thinking about buying, and red thinking about selling. Quite easy concept. And now we can get into these trades. First one I did, pound Swiss. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Did qualify in real time for a great way to trade. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal arrow, everything was perfect, candles, and away it went. And looks like at this point I locked in about 12 pips and I paid out $148. Moving right along to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Remember, you can trade anything that your broker offers you. All you got to do is get it within the market watch, attach the Magic Scalper to it, and then it becomes tradable. So on this pound CAD, let's drag and drop this up. Another one here that qualified for a great way to trade. And arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal, top and bottom, everything saying to buy. So that's exactly what I did. Bought it there at that point, closed it out at this point, locking in about 22 pips, and that paid out $169. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. Now the Dow Jones pays $5 for each tick, so took the money divided by 5 and the calculator says it should be 36. So let's go and look for that. Drag and drop this up. So we have the arrow from the super signal, daily trade plan. Plenty of things top and bottom telling me to buy. So that's exactly what I did. I bought at this cursor and I closed it out here. If I would have stayed in the trade, I would have made a lot more. But it looks like, what did I say? It's 36. Did have it there. There it is. 36 ticks paying out $180. Okay, moving on to the Russell, the next trade. Now on this Russell, here we go. Pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 21. So let's go and find those 21 ticks. Another one. Here, the arrow from the super signal, daily trade plan was saying to buy. Imagine if I stayed in the trade. By the way, this big candle right here, that was the 9:30 opening bell. And it was telling me well in advance that it's going to go up. Love my magic scalper system. It can tell me which way, even with the opening bell, which way it's going to go. Pull the trigger at this cursor. Looks like it's 10:35 in the morning and the market is still moving a lot. What did I say? It should be 21 I'm looking for. There it is right there, 21. If I was in the trade right now, I'd be up 10 times more of that. That would have been over $2,000. But I was happy at this point in time with those 21 ticks paying out $210. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which happens to be gold. Gold pays $10 for each tick, so looking at the money, this should be 27 ticks approximately. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Another one, if I stayed in the trade, I'd be up a lot more. But like I said, I was happy at this point. I closed out the trade. There it is right there, exactly right on, 27.2. So let's just go with the 27, and that paid out $272. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. This one pays $5 for each tick. So took the money divided by 5. Calculator says it's 62. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Daily trade plan arrow, super signal. Everything top and bottom saying it's going to go up. So got in at that point. And I closed it out, locking in those soon as there it is right there, 62 ticks, and that paid out $312. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick, so I took the money, divided by 20. So calculator says it should be approximately 28. So another one I bought. Let's see where I got in at. Everything top and bottom, the arrows, everything saying to buy. And I'm glad I got out, because after the opening bell, it went the other direction. And that's the way the market moves. It's very random. Like I said, it should be 28. So let's go and look. There it is right there. Those 28 ticks. That paid out $570. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the DAX 30. Now on this DAX 30, I dropped it down to the 5 minutes to try to get a reading on it. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal, everything's saying it's going to go up. So let's see where I got in first of all. Look at, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything top and bottom saying to buy. Easy decision to make. Imagine if I stayed in the trade, I would have made probably 3 times more. But I was happy at this point, and I took the money and divided it by 3.75, as that's what it pays for each tick, and the calculator says it should be approximately 285. There it is right there. I got it right on. That's why I have to drop it down to the 5 minutes, but it's 285 ticks, and that paid out $1,068. So another great day of trading using my magic scalper. I added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be well over 200, mainly because of this DAX 30. Grand total came to 493, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,932. So if you have any questions or you want to buy anything at all, quite simple. All you got to do is get in contact with me. Quite easy to do. All you got to do is look right below this video in the description. Like you'll see a banner, the word more. Just click on it, opens up another window, and you'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. You can pick up the phone and call me directly. You can send me an email, or what I prefer is Skype. I made a Skype invite link. All you got to do is click on it. Even if you don't have Skype, we'll have a Skype connection. Believe me, if you have a computer or a cell phone, we'll have a Skype connection at that point. We'll be able to talk live, and I'll be able to answer your questions. Also in the description below, you'll find 4 different packages. And as I mentioned many times, also in the description, you're going to need a lot of education. Please read everything right below this video. It has valuable information. As I mentioned, there's 4 packages. I do charge $250 for each package. I do have a special offer. If you buy any 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. One of the packages is called FibMaster, the FibMaster tool. All you got to do is click on this link right here. You can put it wherever you want, wherever you see a movement. Here's your slight pullback. That'll be a swing pivot low. That's your high. Came back to entry 3, and usually it'll hit target 2, 3, 4, 5. And that little move right there is quite a bit. From there to there is over 740 ticks. Great tool to have, as it shows you the entry points and many targets. Does go all the way to 10, and many days it will hit 10. Again, if you have any questions, well, just Skype me. Anyhow, just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, till the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe, okay? Bye for now.